Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jaital and today we are here at Anushri by Jains, which is located in Navlur, Chennai. And today we'll be doing the project overview in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So basically this is the land parcel where you can check out the construction work as well. And now about the marketing offices just over here. We'll be getting all the information and details of the project. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders, because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. Basically this project is constructed on total 1.5 acres of land parcel consisting of single tower with basement, ground plus 19th floor, having 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the location part, and basically this project is located on Natham Road in Navlur, Siriseri, Chennai. And let me show you the connectivity. So basically this is the Natham Road, and basically this road on my right hand side over here will connect you towards Sipcot. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So basically upcoming Eco Park is just behind the land parcel of the project. You can connect to Sipcot in just 5 minutes. Marina Mall is 5 minutes away from the project, and even Vivera Mall is 5 minutes away. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you 80 plus world-class amenities like of yoga deck, mini theatre, gymnasium, kids play area, co-working space, swimming pool and many more amenities. Now coming to the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project is coming up with 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. 2 BHK starting from 874 to 964 square feet. 3 BHK starting from 1344 to 1361 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process, and the project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Anushri by Jains, which is located in Navlur, Chennai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.